Hi, I'm Amy and I'm the Youth Engagement Officer for YEPS. Nearly 5,000 young people aged 11 to 25 across RCT took part in our Your Voice survey in 2023 and told us about the views, thoughts and opinions on topics that matter to you, such as education, employment and training for 11 to 15-year-olds. Over 43% of young people aged 11 to 15 said that they liked school. Almost 70% of you said they felt safe being in school. 68% of young people aged 11 to 15 said that they're able to do their best when in school, with the biggest barrier being distracted by other pupils. We asked you how you found the transition between primary school and secondary school. Over half of you said that you found it somewhat easy, whilst a quarter of you said you found it fairly difficult. A staggering 92% of young people said that school had a counsellor and they were aware of it. But only 15% of you actually believe that they've made a difference in your school. Your voice will be used to help RCT Council, YEPS and other organisations to deliver the things that matter to you. If you want to find out more information about Your Voice, you can click the link below or scan this QR code.